lost my sheep. Where are you, sheep? Ha! You are?
Bo Peep and the cars, not sheep.
La 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 la. I'm off to see Grandma.
You're not Red Riding Hood, you are Johnny Test. Wait, what happens in Red Riding Hood? A wolf! I am not saving you anymore! Ow!
Time for school.
Okay, I'll save you one more time. Go and put your normal clothes on. Johnny? Well, this is his episode since you fairy tale spray.
He has had 100 episodes.
Really? Here's episode 98, Johnny Bo Peep. 99, Little Red Riding Johnny. Now this.
Yep. Makes 100 episodes. The tail spray was used on Kill. So he would in a fairy tale and fall in love with just us.